Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting by getting the right account and app ready. Sign into the Google account you'll use, then open Google Photos on phone or desktop. Once in the app, go to Settings and enable backup and sync so uploads begin. Make sure you select the upload quality. Original preserves full resolution, while Storage Saver saves space. Also pick the folders to back up on mobile. This controls which pictures are uploaded automatically. Once done, your account is ready to receive photos. Now you'll move photos into Google Photos and organize them. On desktop, drag and drop folders or use Upload Computer. On mobile, confirm selected folders backup automatically. Once uploaded, create albums to group photos by event or theme and add descriptions so images are easier to find. Share albums with collaborators via link or specific accounts. Make use of search, face groupings, and suggested groupings to tag and sort automatically. This saves time. Finish by managing storage and resolving problems quickly. Check your Google account storage to see how much space remains and consider upgrading if you hit limits. Change upload quality to save space if needed. If syncing pauses, update the app, sign out and back in, or clear the app cache. These steps often restart uploads. If photos seem missing, look in trash within 60 days for recovery and make sure device permissions allow background uploads. If issues persist, use the account support options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.